Pigahuna Pirates, written by Jennifer Sattler, retold by Juan. Today Dink just woke up and saw his brother picking up rocks. Dink is mad because he has sand on his head and Fergus ruined his snack. Dink is mad because Fergus got sand on him and he threw his juice box. Fergus wasn't imagining that he would be a pirate. Dink got splashed by a wave and he got even worse and got something on his eye. Now a seagull took his sandwich and he got seaweed on himself. A crab hurt Dink's foot. What will Dink do next? Read Pigahuna Pirates to find out.